How to get started with AI affiliate marketing for just $1. What's up everyone, James here, and in this video I'm super excited to show you how you can get started with AI affiliate marketing for just a single dollar. And not only that, I want to show you how you can multiply that dollar into as many more dollars as you want and get it all set up in about 10 minutes. So the very first step is to head to profitpassively.com and grab my AI affiliate marketing checklist for, that's right, one single dollar. Now when you do that, you're instantly going to get the ability to resell this checklist for 100% profit. You're going to be able to keep all of the money that you generate from selling this checklist. But don't worry, it's not just about selling this checklist. I'm going to show you how to replicate this process for hundreds of other products. But the first and most important thing is earning your first dollar online, and that's the purpose of this checklist. It's going to show you step by step exactly how to do that. So this is what the checklist looks like once you've grabbed it from profitpassively.com. Again, if you haven't done that, go ahead and grab the checklist from profitpassively.com. This is what it looks like, and you're going to want to scroll down and find this link down here in phase 2 where it says join high quality affiliate networks. So you're going to click that link right there, and that's going to give you access to my money making links spreadsheet. Now this is a super important spreadsheet here because this has dozens of different links where you can sign up and become an affiliate to promote all kinds of different products. A lot of these are AI tools and software programs, and what's cool about that is with software, people pay each and every month. They're usually a subscription, which means each and every month that someone pays for that software, you are going to continue to get paid. But that's a little bit more advanced than what I'm showing you here today. What I want to show you today is how to get access to my checklist and how to resell it for $1, not just so you can make a dollar, but more importantly, the reason this checklist is $1 is because that gets people pulling out their credit card. And one of the hardest things about making money online and affiliate marketing is actually getting people to not only go from social media to a website to an offer, but then actually getting them to dig out their wallet or find their purse and get their credit card out and type in the number. So a lot of times with different purchases of various prices might be intimidating, but almost anybody can spend $1 without thinking about it. So that's the point of having this $1 checklist. And so what I want to show you how to do is not only promote this checklist, but use it as a gateway to sell anything you want. So you've got this checklist. Like I said, you got the checklist and you've clicked this link in phase 2 and got this spreadsheet. Now you want to come to the top offer on this spreadsheet where it says Hot AI Affiliate Marketing Network, and you're going to click this link that says Offer Lab. So that's going to bring you over to Offer Lab. You'll need to take 30 seconds to type in your email and sign up, but don't worry, it's free. So once you're in Offer Lab, if you sign up through this link on my spreadsheet here, you're going to be pre-approved to promote my products, which include the $1 checklist. If you're already an Offer Lab user and you want to promote my checklist anyways, you can just find it in the marketplace here. So that's the next thing you're going to want to do is come here to the marketplace and then come up here to the search bar and search for Profit Passively checklist. This is my $1 checklist. So you'll already have pre-approval to promote this, like I said, if you sign up using the link through my checklist. So you'll have pre-approval to promote this. So what do you do next? You're going to come to this button that says Sell over here on the left, and you'll see this tab that says Funnels, and you're going to click this button at the top right that says New Funnel. Now this is where you can stack my $1 checklist and not only keep all the money, but stack other offers on top of it so that you can sell people whatever you want. So you'll see over here in the offer library, if you're pre-approved, you'll see my checklist right here. So you're just going to click that and it's going to add the offer in here. So you'll see primary offer. So pricing $1. So again, that's to get people to pull out their credit card, and it's to get you earning your first $1 online. So what do we do here? Well, we can add an order bump. So say we have another cheap product we want to sell, maybe your own product or somebody else's product. You can click this order bump button and add a product. So here's another person's product, Leave Your 9 to 5 Challenge for $5. I can add that in as a order bump. So they've pulled out their credit card, they're about to spend $1. You could say, wait, do you want to spend $5 more and get this challenge? Boom, you do, that's cool. And so now they check out. And then so what we can do is actually add upsell offers on top of this. So I can click add offer again, and now I can select from a list of products. So if I come to my offers, I also offer a course on AI affiliate automation for $97. So I can click that and I can add this in the funnel. But don't worry, or I mean, don't go away yet, because there's another cool thing I want to show you about this. So before we publish this funnel is almost done, and I think you'll be shocked at how easy this is. So I'm going to add one more offer on here. Let's see if I can find it. Um, Here it is. AI Marketing World. This is a conference that my buddy Austin is putting on for AI affiliate marketing. So you could see this costs $1,500. So we're basically walking the people up a ladder to see how much money they're looking to spend. So they buy something for $1. We offer an order bump for $5. We can then offer a more expensive product for $97. We can then offer another product for $1,500. So you can see how this is walking them up the value ladder. But the cool thing I want to show you about this, and one way that's really going to personalize this to your audience and increase your conversions, is right here in this box. For each different page in this funnel, you could see where it says share why visitors will love this product. So you could put text in this box. You could put, I could put this is how I made my first dollar online. And then what's really cool is you can put a video here. So it'll ask you to upload a video. So you just click browse and upload. You can whip out your phone and record a quick video that says, hey, I just bought this checklist for $1. This is really cool. It shows me exactly what products to promote, how to promote them, and I just earned my first $5 online today. This is why you'll love it. And then you upload that, and it will be on the page of your funnel. So I'll go ahead and save that, and watch, this is ready to go. So I'm going to click publish. And you can actually put this on a custom domain if you want to buy your own website and host this on a custom website. You could do that, or you could just publish this to an OfferLab domain. So I'll do that, and it says your funnel is now live. Copy the link. So we could just open up a guest window and check this out. And now you could see that there is a clone of my website, my $1 checklist website, only now with this special number, or this combination of letters here at the end of the link is your custom tracking code, so that when someone buys this, you get the money, and it's distributed to you automatically. It's not like something you have to wait for. This is all handled within OfferLab, so that allows you to sell my checklist and keep all of the profits. So that's how easy it is to set up one of these funnels. And then as someone goes through this checkout, right, assuming they enter their information here and they buy this checklist, then you get the $1. But then on top of that, you're going to earn commissions on all of the other products that they buy as they go through your funnel. So for example, if you have an upsell of my AI automation course for $97, then you earn 60% commissions on that sale. So you'll get 60% of the profits from that sale too. And again, this website, if you click Marketplace here, once you're inside, you'll see that there's hundreds, probably thousands of different offers on this website at this point. There's all different types of products. You could see here there's supplements, there's different courses and coaching programs and digital products. There's phone accessories, jewelry, golf training, right? All different kinds of stuff here. And these will all pay you various percentages for promoting them. So you can see here's a vacation club, earn 50% commissions. Here's this phone mount, pays 15% commissions. This podcasting profits course pays 70% commissions. So all you have to do is like I said, go to profitpassively.com, grab this checklist for $1. This is going to show you the exact steps I use to not only get traffic, but maximize the conversions from the traffic I get, and my exact approach for affiliate marketing. But even before you learn all that, like I said, you could set this up in the next 5 or 10 minutes just by coming here and clicking this top link on this spreadsheet and grabbing your free OfferLab account, and then, like I said, clicking where it says funnels and setting up your first funnel. So you'll click sell, you'll click new funnel, and like I said, you just click on the products that you want to sell, and it's going to stack them into a funnel. Then you click publish and you're done. So if you appreciated me sharing this video, sharing this information with you, click the thumbs up on this video, and like I said, go to profitpassively.com and get started with this right now, because once you get this set up, you can earn money over and over and over and over again just by sharing that one link that took you 5 minutes to set up. So I hope you value this information. If you did, like I said, click the thumbs up button, share this video with your friends, and other than that, I can't wait to see how much money you make online, and I'll catch you in the next AI money making video.